Hi, hello, welcome to our channel Chemistry Era. This is Anil. Today we are going to learn very important long answer for intermediate secondary students, that is collision theory. This collision theory was proposed by the great scientist Sir Arrhenius. According to collision theory, in order to form products, reactant molecules must collide with each other. In order to form products, reactant molecules must collide with each other. Generally, every reactant molecule is colliding with other reactant molecules. That may not mean that all the reactants which are colliding with each other results products. That means all collisions may not form products. I repeat, all collisions may not form products. Now, what is the reason? Those molecules which are possessing a minimum energy to form product is called as a threshold energy. Those molecules which are having energy to produce product because of collision is called as a threshold energy. Molecules possessing threshold energy are called as activated molecules. Molecules possessing threshold energy are called activated molecules. When these activated molecules collide with each other, they will lead to form products. So, molecules possessing threshold energy are called as activated molecules. When these activated molecules collide with each other, they are going to form the products. So, there are two different types of collisions are happening here. One collision is not giving the product, another collision is giving the product. So, the collisions which results in the formation of product are called as fruitful collisions. I repeat, the collisions which results in the formation of product are called as fruitful collisions. That means there are some molecules are there which are having energy, that is called as a normal energy of the reactants. There are certain molecules are there which are having a threshold energy. Those threshold energy molecules are giving the products. This energy difference between threshold energy and energy of activated molecules, that is the threshold, that is energy of the normal reactants. I repeat, the energy difference between threshold energy and energy of the normal reactant molecules is called as energy barrier. Energy barrier. So, energy barrier is nothing but energy difference between threshold energy and energy of normal reactant molecules. Threshold energy barrier is equal to threshold energy minus energy of normal reactant molecules. Now, whenever temperature is raised, automatically the energy of the reactant molecules also increases. So, with increase of temperature, energy of the reactant molecules also increases. With increase of temperature, energy of the reactant molecules also increases. Now, let us try to establish a relation between rate and energy of the reactants, and we can write as a rate is equal to K A e power minus EA by RT, where K is called as a rate constant, A is a frequency factor, EA is the energy of the activation energy, R is universal gas constant, and D is the temperature. This is what about collision theory. Let us try to recall the important points of collision theory. In order to form products, reactant molecules must collide with each other. All collisions may not lead to form products. Those molecules which results in the formation of product are going to possess a energy. That energy is called as a threshold energy. Molecules having a threshold energy are called as activated molecules. Reactant molecules having threshold energy are called activated molecules. Those activated molecules upon collision with each other results in the formation of products. Collisions which results in the formation of product are called fruitful collisions. So, collisions are classified into two categories, which are results in the formation of products, which do not form products. So, molecules, reactant molecules are of two kinds, which are having normal energy, which are having threshold energy. This energy difference is called as a energy barrier. Energy barrier is equal to threshold energy minus energy of normal reactant molecules. Next, upon increasing temperature, energy of reactant molecules also increases. So, number of collisions also increases. We can establish a relation between rate and rate constant, that is given by rate is equal to K A e power minus EA by RT, where K is the rate constant, A is a frequency factor, EA is a activation energy, R is a universal gas constant, and T is a absolute temperature. I hope you have understand this concept of collision theory. If you have understand it, please give a big thumbs up for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.